Tired of searching through hundreds of scripts every time you need one in Revit? Fast Script Launcher lets you find and run any script in seconds. Just type, click, done. You can even assign keyboard shortcuts to your favorite scripts and launch them instantly with a single keystroke. No more wasted time. Just instant access to every tool you need, exactly when you need it. Let's see how the Fast Script Launcher plugin works. After installing the MSI file, a new toolbar called ArchPlug will appear in Revit. When we click on it, we can see the installed plugin along with the Settings button. The first thing to do is click the Settings button and enter the email address you used to register on our website. The account you used to purchase the plugin, then refresh the connection to verify your license is active. Whether you're using the free trial or you've purchased the plugin. Next, you need to enter the path to the folder where your scripts are located. You can simply browse and navigate to find your scripts folder. Select that folder and the path will be filled in automatically. From there, we can see all the plugins we've purchased along with their versions. Once we're done, we can close the settings and the My Scripts button will be enabled, showing all our scripts. The best and fastest feature, and the main advantage of this plugin, is that this button can be triggered via a keyboard shortcut. Let's go to the keyboard shortcuts window in Revit. Type My Scripts and we'll see that we can assign a shortcut to this button. Type in whatever key combination works best for you. For example, type GL, click Assign, and now the button can be launched with that shortcut. Since I already have NS assigned, I'll keep that. Pressing NS on the keyboard instantly opens the plugin window. The scripts can be launched simply by typing a few letters, navigating with the arrow keys, and pressing Enter. For example, let's run the roof framing script. First, we select the roof. Then type the shortcut to filter the script and press Enter to run it. It runs automatically. These are shell scripts. There's no need to open a shell window and manually search for the script. The plugin handles everything. As we can see, the script has generated roof rafters. This script is designed to create roof framing. It built new rafters following the shape of the roof. Now, one of the most important features of this plugin is that you can assign custom shortcuts to your own scripts very easily. Here's how it works. In our folder we have, for example, 3 scripts, one for roof framing, one for tagging elements, and one for placing window and door lintels. Shortcuts are added directly in the script file name. Just put the shortcut keyword in parentheses at the beginning of the file name. This is great because Revit will automatically recognize those shortcuts. As we can see here, it shows rough. If we type that shortcut, the plugin filters scripts by their shortcuts only. We can also browse all scripts regardless of whether they have shortcuts. Select the roof, open the plugin, type rough, press Enter, and the script runs automatically. There's a filter button that shows only scripts that have a shortcut defined in parentheses. Scripts without a shortcut in parentheses are hidden from this filtered view. For example, to add a shortcut for the tagging script, just add it to the file name in parentheses, and that's your new shortcut. It will automatically appear in the plugin window. The plugin automatically detects scripts that have shortcuts, and you can search for them by typing just a few characters. One more thing worth mentioning, your root folder can contain as many subfolders as you like. Fast Script Launcher will scan all of them together and display every script in one unified list, no matter how deep the folder structure goes. And when it comes to keyboard shortcuts, you have complete flexibility. The shortcut tag can appear anywhere in the script name, whether at the beginning, the middle, or the end, and it will always be recognized. Let's see how this tagging script works in practice. It tags all windows and doors and correctly orients the tags. Just type the shortcut, press enter, and the script executes automatically. As we can see, all tags have been placed and are correctly oriented on both doors and windows throughout the entire floor plan. Parapets are tagged as well. The scripts you've seen in this video will soon be available as dedicated plugins on ArchPlug.com. Now let's see what the third script does. It can also be launched with a shortcut or without one. This is our third script. This third script works with lintels. It automatically places lintels above windows and doors throughout the model. It placed all the lintels we had defined across the entire building. So the entire model will automatically have lintels above every window and door, no need to do it manually. This plugin is the best way to use shell scripts in Revit. Shortcuts automatically convert your shell scripts into commands that can be executed instantly. There's no need for the slow approach of opening a shell window and manually searching for scripts. It's much easier to assign shortcuts and launch scripts much faster. Imagine having hundreds of scripts. This is a much faster way to access them, while also being convenient because scripts can first be tested directly in the shell window. You can see all the errors, and once the script is working correctly, just save it to the folder, add a shortcut in the file name, and it's ready to use. The plugin also works correctly even if the script file name starts with a number. For example, if the script has a version number like 1.2 and a shortcut in parentheses, the plugin will still recognize it. No Revit restart needed. Any new scripts you add to the folder will appear in the launcher window immediately. Fast Script Launcher is also designed with pyRevit compatibility in mind. pyRevit support is one of the main ideas being considered for future development, and while it's not yet available, it should be coming in future versions. Currently, FSL runs its own script engine and is not yet compatible with pyRevit. There's also a great workflow that pairs perfectly with this launcher. You can simply describe what you need to an AI, like Claude, and have it write the Revit script for you. Then test it directly in the shell window, fix any errors on the spot, save it as a file, and from that point on, run it instantly through Fast Script Launcher. No need to create complicated ribbon buttons or panels in Revit. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to check out our other videos on the channel, and visit archplug.com to explore all the plugins we have available. See you in the next one.